Remember how to make a train?
Yeah, but I can't touch our magnets. Hey!
He can play too, but he's got to keep him near there. And the dog can't get him, okay?
Get out of here. And then... Hey, let's have cars. So these...
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you help me make a spring grandson? I don't know how.
You forget? Well, I can help.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Okay, I can help you. They're hard to pull apart, aren't they?
I'm making a beautiful car. These are hard. We need a lot of windows so everybody can see outside. If they don't gotta see outside, they don't need to see.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't think about that when I was making our
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Yesterday. Guess what? Well, we were trying to see Gus Gus. Yeah.
We're making train cars.
I'm making this rain. Oh! I need to eat the very first one so they don't fall down. I'll put Caesar. Everybody's away. Hey, you're missing on my car. I'm so sorry to get them.
Okay, then don't dance with them. Go play with the magnets.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Buck, buck, buck. Buck, buck, buck. Yes! Buck. Ice cream! Right there!
right now.
Was she on the motorcycle?
Thank you.
I have a box or something with everything in it now.
Window! 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 Window!
There you go.
Window.
Like
Yes!
truly confused.
Vincent, do this with me. Vincent, can you find this?
What are you looking for?
It's supposed to like spot the character. You can both do it. I will turn it off. If you can't share, I will turn it off.
And no gray.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me. When I press play, you will share. Do you understand? Okay, Grand Skip can help you both. But if you cannot, take your hands out of your pants. If you cannot share, then I will turn the TV off. Do we understand?
Thank you.
Nova can help too.
Thank you.
Okay, then I'm going to turn the TV off. You are going to share.
And Nova, psst. You know not to touch the TV screen, okay?
Okay, no, we're all going to do it.
Can we all help you?
He's not sitting down.
Emmett, sit down. If you fall, you're going
Let's
to
sit down. Sit down.
I can't make this one.
Can you sit down on it? You can't what?
I can't make this one go stand up.
Emmett, sit down.
I can't make this one go stay.
Sit down.
I can't make this one go stay.
Can't make it.
You're just here like, oh, no, he was lying.
He was like, yeah, it's not fun.
See? I don't know.
Want me to help you try?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not
Okay.
government.